Hello and welcome to What the Fort. Next up for us to explore is the former railway halt at Donyatt in Somerset. The station was built in 1928 and it served the local community as well as receiving evacuees during the Second World War. It's now part of a peaceful cycle path. Let's go and find out more about its history.
Donyatt Halt was on the charred Town to Taunton branch line. The railway was opened in 1866, but Donyatt didn't get its station until 1928. The line was run by the Bristol and Exeter Railway, who were taken over by the Great Western Railway in 1876, who in turn were amalgamated into British Railways in 1948. Donyatt Halt was in use until the beaching cuts of the 1960s. Construction of the line started in 1864 and, like most railway projects at the time, used Irish workforce known as navvies. The line was originally broad gauge of 7 foot quarter of an inch, but was converted to standard gauge in 1891. The first train stopped at Donyatt Halt on the 5th of May 1928. The platform was on the downside and was constructed from old railway sleepers.
The 1959 to 1960 timetable showed that the halt was served by 4 trains a day in each direction, running Monday to Saturday with no Sunday service. Many of the local businesses made the most of the railway here to transport their wares, including Donyatt pottery, which had been made in the village for centuries. The pottery finally closed in 1945.
The railway line was closed temporarily between the 3rd of February and the 7th of May 1951 due to a national coal shortage. The line finally closed for good in 1962, with the last train running on the 10th of September that year. For the next 36 years, the railway cutting became completely overgrown and inaccessible.
The railway line at Donyatt was part of the Taunton stop line. You can watch our video on the stop line to find out what it was and why it was built. The defences here include rail and road blocks, pillboxes, and a line of anti-tank blocks above the station. The statue of Doreen here on the platform tells the story of the hundreds of children who left the big cities for the safety of Somerset during the Second World War. Doreen Ashe arrived here on the 3rd of September 1939, aged 7, and she was taken in by a local couple, Mr. and Mrs. Hutchins. Many other children were looked after in Donyatt during the war. In 2008 and 2009, the local community, along with help from the National Lottery Fund, worked hard to restore the station. They rebuilt the shelter and the sign and added information boards, and it's thanks to their dedication that the history of the station can be appreciated today. This little rural halt shows an important part of our wartime and railway heritage. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon.